Hey y'all, guess what I'm doing? I'm creaming butter and sugar together, and we're gonna make sugar cookies. And these are Miss Annie's sugar cookies. Miss Annie is my friend. And this is Miss Annie's Home and Kitchen. So this is her easy, no-chill sugar cookies. So I've got the room temperature butter in here, and I've got the sugar. And we're gonna cream that, and then we're gonna move on with the recipe. Y'all, these are easy, I'm telling you, and they're delicious. Don't you know a child somewhere who would like to have these? So anyway, these are the sugar cookies. After I get that creamed, and I'm just gonna go through here and follow the recipe, we're going to beat in the egg and the vanilla, and we just need 1 egg, and we need a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. Okay, there we go. We're gonna beat that in, okay? Well, I can't get my lid back on. Okay, there we go. We're gonna beat that in. Turn that up a smidge. Who doesn't love a sugar cookie? I know. Somebody grumpy, give them a sugar cookie. They'll feel better. And sometimes when you give them something like a sugar cookie and it brings back memories from old, it helps. It helps people. All right, we've done this, and now we're gonna gradually add in the flour. Just gradually. It's gonna come into a dough, or not gradually, whoops. All right, here we go. Rocking and rolling over here. And this is going to turn into a nice dough for us that we're going to roll into balls and put on our cookie sheet. Okay, now I've got to get off of this. Let me get this off of here. We've got to have all the dough that we can get. Come on, you get off of there. It's not gonna. All right. Now what we've got to do is, let me knock that off of there because I can't stand, that's a cookie right there. 1 or 2 cookies that I could have had if I hadn't, I would have missed it if I hadn't got it off of there, wouldn't I? All right, let me pull out my trusty spoon. Get that off of there. All right, we're gonna work this up into a dough. And remember, this is Miss Annie's Easy No Chill. So you can actually start working with this as soon as you make it. All right, and we're going to do, and now she says, roll rounded teaspoonfuls of dough into balls and place them on a cookie sheet. And here's my cookie sheet. Got my parchment paper on it. And let me pull out my little measuring spoon. All right, here we go. We're gonna roll it into balls and put it on our parchment sheet. And we're gonna bake it at 350. And remember, your oven is heated up for 8 to 10 minutes. You know, everybody's ovens are different. So we gotta make sure we get them done. Okay. All right, y'all, how easy is this sugar cookie? I know. And there's different ways we can do it when we get to this point. And y'all know I was at that influencer summit a while back, and I got to meet so many wonderful cooks and their influencers online. And they all have wonderful recipes. And I have been reading all of their books and all of their recipes. So I've just been having a great time. But anyway, I'm going to show you how somebody else mashes theirs with sugar on it. I know, it's a sugar cookie, right? I know, this makes me happy making them. I hope it makes you happy making them. And you know, you can make them for yourself. You don't have to have a kid coming over. Or you can have a kid coming over. Or make them for your own kids, or you can make them for your grandkids. All right, this is what I've got done now. And now, let me show you what we're going to do to press them down. To press them down, we're going to get a glass. We're going to dip it in sugar and then press them down. And that came from Mimi's recipes from her cookbook. So see, I'm taking ideas from different ones and pulling it all together. And I'll show you Mimi's. Let me grab it. This is called Sunday Lunch at Mimi's. Sunday Lunch at Mimi's. And this is her sugar cookies. So I'm taking parts from different recipes. So let me grab some sugar and I'll be right back with y'all. Okay, y'all, I have my Hey Y'all little square dish. I'm going to put sugar in it for my brown drip sugar bowl. Just going to put sugar right there in the middle. Now, okay, Mimi. Y'all remember these old top glasses? This is the only one I got about that, or these mugs. I know. So we're dipping this in sugar. Okay, there's sugar on the bottom, and then we're pressing it down. Look at that. How pretty is that? Mimi, thanks for that tip. Now look, you can also roll this out if, you know, put a little more flour in there with it and roll it out. Do y'all hear my chili rocking and rolling over there? Instead of thinking, oh, what a noise, think, oh, she's going to have some chili later. But anyway, here I am just knocking this back down, doing some little cookies. And you know, these are small cookies, like little wafer cookies that I'm making, but you can make them larger if you want to. Okay, y'all look at that. How easy was that? Sugar's on top. Life is good. We're going to cook these for 8 to 10 minutes at 350. Be right back with you. Hey, y'all, I'm back, and I just want to show you these while I'm waiting for the last minute of the cooking. I want to show you again the easy no chill sugar cookies from Miss Annie, and then also the sugar cookies from Mimi's recipes. And here's her cookbook, and I'll put a link to them down below or either up above. Look for them in both places so you can make sure you look them up. Okay, there's the timer. Okay, let me pull them out and see what we got. Oh, y'all, they're so beautiful. Look at these. Look at these beautiful sugar cookies. Perfect little circles. They've got that sugar glistening on top. I am going to be a happy camper. Now, Miss Annie says let them cool for 2 minutes before I take them off here, so that's what we're going to do. Oh, yeah. While we're doing that, let me just turn my timer on again. Okay, I got my timer on, and we'll let those cool just a second before we take them off, and we're going to put them on my cooling rack right here. And I can't wait to eat them. These are the basic sugar cookie recipes, and I think y'all are going to love it. But anyway, I do want to encourage y'all right now. A lot of bad stuff's going on in the world, and I just want to encourage you. Pray to the good Lord. Ask Him to give you peace. Ask Him where you can help. And just pray for your family, and let's lift each other up during this time. Pray for good. Pray for the good Lord to open doors to let good prevail and to overcome evil, okay? But anyway, it is a lot of tough stuff going on right now, but we're going to make it through now. We're resilient, we're tough, we're going to be smart, we're going to go, you know, do what we always do and help our community and help each other. That's what we're going to do to make it through all this, and be encouraging to each other. So I want to encourage you to have joy and be encouraging, even in the midst of things that are going in a different direction than what we want it to go in. All right, let me see. How much time? 14 seconds. 14 seconds. We're going to have a cookie. Ooh, baby. Okay. Let me turn that off. Look at here. Look at here. Aren't they beautiful? I think I want that one right there. Is that not a gorgeous, gorgeous sugar cookie? Miss Annie and Mimi, I thank you so much. Now, I'm going to pull these off of here and put them, y'all, I can just pick these up. Put them on my cooling rack. Look how pretty that bottom is. Look at that. Ow, that pan's hot. All right, I'm going to put these over here. Because, you know, I've got to taste one, don't I? Don't you think it's my job? I think it's my job. We got to make sure they're good. And I know if they're from Miss Annie, they're going to be good. And from Mimi. Look how beautiful. Look at that. Y'all. That is a beautiful sugar cookie. Some coffee in the afternoon. These sugar cookies, you're gonna be happy. They're good. So easy, so delicious. Miss Annie, Mimi, thank you. Y'all go make you some. You've probably got everything to make them right in your pantry. So anyway, I'm going to tell you what I always tell you, but I've got to show y'all these. Just look at that. Look at those beautiful sugar cookies. The good Lord loves you, and I love you too. Y'all go have a really good day, and make yourself and somebody else some sugar cookies to share some joy in this world. We all need to share joy. All right, love and blessings to you. Bye-bye.